Welcome to Art Scout. I'm Uni. Today, we are going to make some Play-Doh and make charms with it. Shall we start? Let's check out the materials we need for the Play-Doh. You need a cup of flour, quarter cup of salt, a half cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons oil, food coloring, a bowl and a spoon, and some paper clips. Pour 1 cup of flour and a quarter cup of salt into a bowl and mix well with a spoon. Add a half cup of hot water in your mixture and then put in 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use your hands to make dough. If the dough is too sticky, please add some more flour. Here is my dough. Divide the dough into the number of the colors you have. I will divide them into 3. Add food coloring to each dough and mix well. Please add some flour if the dough is too wet. Please decide which shape of charms you want to make and make the charms. Please put the paper clips into them. It will take from a few hours to 2 days for them to dry. I will make some keychains, so I prepared some key rings. You can use some strings, chains, or key rings to use them in real life. I wonder what you are going to make with your Play-Doh. Please share your fun work with everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!